Friends, today I am coming with new strategy. So this strategy is rounded bottom or rounded top pattern. The time frame use 15 or 30 minutes. Trade setup. Stock market should be bear or bull. Trade with primary trend and with good liquidity and volume. So let's go ahead with rounded bottom formation. Rounded bottom formation is a reversal chart pattern which develops after price decline. As a stock is trending lower, the rate of decline will begin to slow down. This is followed by a range pattern which ultimately shifts into a slow gradual increase. The increase ultimately lead to a bullish move. The pattern will appear symmetrical in nature when comparing the bearish and bullish side of information. Please remember, volume indicator is important for rounded bottom pattern. Volume is key indicator for identifying and validating the rounding bottom pattern. The pattern will start with a higher volume as a stock experiences its final plunge power. The high volume event is followed with lower volume as the stock consolidates in range. Lastly, the volume will begin to pick up again as the stock begins its bullish move higher. So volume indicator is displayed at the bottom of the chart. As you can see in the formation, high volume in the beginning, flat in the middle and volume increase on a way out. A simple method is to visually validate the pattern is draw a line connecting top of the volume indicator for each price period. You will notice that the volume will also mirror the same rounding pattern. So the second, how to get profit for the rounding bottom formation. The potential of rounding bottom chart pattern is a bullish after trend switches to from bearish to bullish. The expectation is prior to continue expanding higher. To measure the potential of your rounding bottom, you should first identify the neckline of the pattern. To do, you should draw a line across the top of the bearish trend and bullish trend before the breakout occur. Then take the distance between the neckline and the lowest point of the pattern. This is the distance is the size of rounding bottom pattern, which you will see in the next chart. When the price action break through the neckline, you see price action is breaking the neckline, then you see that. So this I will explain you down. So you come to this point. So when the price action break the neckline, you should open long position. The blue rectangles on the image illustrate, here you see the blue rectangle on the image, see that, illustrate the size and target of the pattern. The green check mark indicate the movement when the price action complete the minimum potential of the pattern. So you see, you come here and see the green. So from this point you see that. So you have to see here, you can see that breakout and target that I will show you. So good thing about rounding bottom pattern, it is while it takes a long time to develop, it has a very high success rate. So this you see the rounding bottom pattern, you see all of a sudden you see the volume increases, it breaks the neckline. So this kind of pattern you see. From here you see there is a downtrend, then again you see, then again you see, then you see breaking here neckline, you can draw a neckline, then you see breakout uptrend reversal, it is going in uptrend. Step by step how you have to trade rounding bottom pattern, I will let you know. So now you know how the rounding bottom pattern, how it behaves. I have shown you in clear cut diagram, you can draw that, see. Let's go a deep dive how to trade pattern. So first thing, confirming the rounding bottom figure. To confirm the pattern you need to find a price decrease which slowly switches to a range followed by a price increase. The strongest confirmation comes when the volume indicator show high volume on decline, flat volume on the range and increasing the volume on the reversal. This is the first step. The second step, rounding bottom neckline. After you identify a pattern, you need to draw the neckline. Okay. To do this, you need to draw a horizontal line across the top of the bearish and bullish side of the rounding bottom pattern. You see here, you draw a neckline. Rounding, this is rounding bottom pattern. So again I will emphasize on, after identifying your pattern you need to draw the neckline. To do this you need to draw a horizontal line across the top of bearish and bullish side of the rounding pattern. Bottom pattern, rounding bottom breakout. The rounding bottom breakout happens when the price penetrates the neckline in the bullish direction, that we will see. In simpler terms, the stock should show strength, it crosses the neckline. This strength should display itself in the form of price expansion and increased volume. So you see this is the rounding bottom pattern, this has formed, and you see this is a, you put a neckline and you have to buy here once you get the bullish candle. You see here you have to put the volume indicator. Volume implies that there are no rounding, there are two rounding bottom. You see by volume you see one rounding, then second rounding, and the price target you can take from here to here. This is the price target. So you have to get the bullish confirmation here, then you can put a stop loss, go ahead. I will show further in that. This is rounding bottom. I have shown you rounding bottom and rounding top. I will show again. You see that the price, you see volume has going up down, then again this is the rounding bottom, it has broken the neck now, target is this is round. See the rounding bottom pattern. The next is rounding bottom trade entry. A trader should look to get once his stock is stable and to break through the neckline. Rounding bottom is stop loss. Although rounding bottom pattern is relatively reliable, there are no exceptions to the rule of protecting your capital. After all, nothing is 100% in the stock market. Rounding bottom target, the minimum target of this pattern equal to the size of pattern added to the breakout. Once your price hits your target, you should look to exit the position. So we can conclude this rounding bottom pattern. The rounding bottom pattern represents the gradual price shift from bearish to bullish that we can see here. See, this is bearish, then again it is going to bullish. Then the strongest confirmation of pattern comes with volume indicator. A valid rounding bottom pattern starts with higher volume during the decline and flat during the range and increasing the volume in the reversal. So you can see here, you can correlate with the same to this. So you have to use volume indicator and you have to correlate. The rounding bottom pattern has a strong bullish potential. The expected price move equal to the size of pattern. So you see that I already shown, I am again repeating, so you will able to understand this. You see, this is the movement should be from here to neckline. You can see the size also, it is equal. So that is your target. Although the pattern has high success rate, it is relatively rare. We rarely see this pattern. You can go on the chart and just analyze on daily, and you have to take 10-15 stocks, then you do a practice. Then again I am telling you how to trade, what are the steps. Identify your potential, rounding bottom pattern, this is first step. Draw the neckline, this is the second. Confirm a rounding bottom breakout. Enter a long trade on the breakout. Put a stop loss in the middle of pattern. Stay in trade for price move equal to the size of rounding bottom. So this is what, these are 6 steps. A variation of rounding bottom is the cup and handle chart pattern. The cup and handle breakout appear when the price breaks the slight bearish pullback at the neckline. So this is the difference. I will let you know cup with handle also, that I am going to cover. The size of pattern is the distance between top of the handle and the bottom of the figure. The pattern target is the size of the pattern applied from the moment of breakout. Your stop loss should be placed right below the lowest point of handle. So do not worry, this is about cup with handle, I will let you know. So I will request you friend, rounding bottom, rounding top, I have explained you rounding bottom and I have shown you the figure of rounding top. So you do a practice. This is completely reverse of that I have shown you here. So this is what I covered you. Friends, I will request to share these videos. You subscribe, press the bell icon if you have not subscribed. Share to your friends and let them subscribe. In case of any query or support, you can shoot up a mail. I have shared you my mail ID satyendrasingh311976@gmail.com, mobile 98739388781. This is what I told you today. So have a practice and try to learn pattern. These pattern are really useful in swing trading, and this pattern is rarely seen, but it is really profitable. So this video is for your learning purpose. Thanks a lot.